ka National People's Party jong ke jela Meghalaya kala le buram khadu ya States General Secretary ka party ubadairu ubala don bentalang ban seng ya ke NPP uba kupar bla ubala Khlad no na kani ka slaperthai hadin ke jingpang ka balaban ye u laslem bha ya kani ke jingilang sngolam la penlong ka office jong ka party ha ke jing don lang kinongilam barang ba ka seng ke ba kentup ya working president ke NPP uba Hamlet Sondoling bat uba babet ke Sangma uba babet ulapan kan mau ya uba kupar namar ke jing simkia jongu ka ba klem song tat bat ke jing trei stom klem song tat ha ka ba dei ban tei ya ka seng kan ban nakaleng uba Hamlet Sondoling ula nyau ya u kum Nongialam uba ka jing IT lot bat ke jing shit ham jongu ka kta ya baro ke badon saudong ka jongu
Trei klem da kami renti kum kaniga ja ban ja fakta kumne la itu ba kupar naduh snem hazar new banga wan runga ka parti mapakot kumba bong agani mapakot isar PA Sangma yang tila don hang tu rupa te aga grup rasa pule ka jingtho jong kiten marak na katu kadai ka story jong ba kupar la don rupa bat sal PA Sangma naduh kapor ba PA Sangma jang don ka kongres te usnem ba isar PA Sangma sabe nakaseng kongres ba kupar wan bilang ang to bat PA Sangma iladon lupa bat PA Sangma Andrei na Meghalaya baton mano-mano bat PA Sangma katok lingud na Garo Hills bat na Kasi Hills tang ba kupar marui ti hadin katok ni por wan mi Dr. Khaluki bat ba Robert Karsing bang kuai sa bulai mo sa dua bulai bahai dahin ilong MP raja soba Robert Karsing itu armut kia wan boot PA Sangma Dr. Khaluki bat Dr. Pak Robert Karsing Pak kupar balong beliau berjaya untuk ketini RUM man kasih don beda office kano snem nga penyai ka office party naduh kapor ba sdang kanika parti NPP harup si bangalo nga penyai kanika office jongka parti adu ba ngiwan sanisa la suya ba kupar man ga poton lang ipati hindi don ketine sudon beda ilakit kam kungi executive committee secretary youth member jongki youth advisor jongka youth kunda teater ilabat kam jongka parti de makan mau ka jinglong bapna jong kawe i saking revolver kasabalay i saking tuwa revolver senda bat satsong bulat bor-bor. Tianrai umdon dusmon mano lu ndrai sustrat wan king tu kan libor par tu ni saton berbajit office mo bor-bor in one thit quay bang quay in thit quay sibun sound baro khana andin tangata andre umjupep poibe office nangta hagi tugi por nei tour election umjupep lano Dr. Khaluki, Dr. Ruben, nangta ba ubar, mga bajit, baful, kali artili sabi, kali bajit kawe, kali jong Dr. Khaluki kawe. Leng, Jaintia, Garo, Khasi, Umjupek, Poibek. Lay Umjukran, election, rally, Umjukran. Lay, Laibit, Nong Tau, Nong Book, Mania. Simno yau napteng jongi sanadi
kumumi namar balai ngang ada district president ngarabat district president jong sejentia la bon sna naduh ke parti NPP bangi don ngabar naduh bangi ke parti NPP jongi pada man lagi election campaign dan kino ki pentar haba iba kupar idai scattering state ini ban wanche district jongi ngaku district president ni saya jomba kiapat keren bak parong ngadem bor de kelam ngaman na kelam udai ubreu ubam jukran tangba udai pan ubreu uba ai ke assignment yangi ban pendad ke assignment hapor election bai bak kupari ai yangi au ke kiau hai yangi nomor balai in the late meeting hai chuai no hai itu man kam tana hab isyam hab ikendro hab lek kumta dangi lek kiwe banta jong ke district ro ke district ke jong ri keju he dangi wan senior keju ke jing ai jing jongi wada ke tim ke bangi lek lang ke pos karu hills ro hang tai mas kut meeting men mirau ai ngate ngai yo ing to balong kumto hang to hab ong yu sar lek lek kumta ba utaw de ba bom sim banta ta ka daw ong nyara ban sim mana politics de ka dai keni ke platform bang hab an sim ban keren ban ai yang ba kupar udai breu basngap tang ba bo ai assignment yang kum no ban trai hoi lagi kifta tanan si ba pher bo play ai ni bakalong gi jingkar ku di ro ka party na ka banta jong ni kum gi no trai jong ka party man ni don na ke jong ka phang ka sa bo play ai ni wa kubar masngau ban on bola dat ban don kam hok ni ka but along way na ki parabi trailang uba kumbo kawai ke cinglong ke badan belong man bagi wanci silong sini bantan meeting ba ku par dan ngau jutip hakano ko por bai ba ku par imdang like no tang hakini ikin dia por ya ke ba idon apdeng ke cing sistem wata kataru ngidang yo i nang ong ile na lem bang ni ana swe chong yung na ne ja hapan kumta ba lengba jam kini ke cinglong ke cong ba ku par ya ke ai ke ba ilale le panta chungi kum ke parti snow ta ko borom yang ilang baro kum kino trei chung ke parti ngin bot ya ke ai ke chingi kai ke ba ha ya ke ba iba ko par ke di nama Kumbong ha politics ni macus ngap jar tela si laban non kabong la long kata handrai uni ula pen i ki kam bat ke ai ke bau advising i bangi hapan trei deng simshu ke por pa di ru iting singalam bau play na ya don rekat bat la u shekri ujong ya pa ule ibe pan simno selede i ba kepar na ke benta ke kam ke bau ha ke jong play bat play un don rekat bat ke kong ikon bat ke yang kesam jong i ba bo angal ke cing pentingan ke jong nsa me ke yang kesam jong ke ban serpai serpo ya ai kepala cia ke yang ke jong ke lai sok ma kupal caka ya ke bau play na kre na ke benta jong ke
members of the National People's Party, friends and family. We gather here today with heavy hearts and profound sense of grief to bid farewell to Sri Kuparbla, a stalwart, a mentor, and one of the guiding forces behind the birth of the National People's Party. His passing is not only a personal loss to his family and loved ones, but also to the entire political fraternity of Meghalaya and the region. Sri Kuparbla was among the few visionary leaders who, together with the late Sri PA Sangma and Dr. W.R. Khalukhi, laid the foundation of NPP. At a time when the political landscape was uncertain, he stood firm with courage and conviction. He worked tirelessly to give shape to a party that would represent the unique aspirations and voices of our people. Though his role was often away from the limelight, it was fundamental, steady, and deeply influential. Every strong institution rests upon its foundation, and Sri Kuparbla was very much a part of that foundation on which the NPP stands tall today. It is important to remember that before the formation of the National People's Party, Sri Kuparbla was one of the earliest and most coveted members of the Nationalist Congress Party. He remained steadfastly loyal to his principles and to the people who helped shape his political career, staying true to them till the very end. This sense of loyalty and integrity defined his entire journey in public life. Those who had the privilege of working with him remember him as a man of humility, integrity, and quiet determination. He never sought glory or recognition for himself. Instead, he believed in collective leadership, in unity, and in service. His life and values continue to reflect the very principles that define the NPP even today: people first, service above self, and a commitment to justice and equality. Sri Kuparbla's journey reminds us that true leadership is not about positions or titles. True leadership is about standing by one's people in moments of challenge, guiding them with wisdom, and dedicating oneself to building something greater than the personal ambition. He embodied that spirit fully. In doing so, he left behind a legacy of sincerity, sacrifice, and courage. As we remember him today, we also recognize the sacrifice he made. Building a political movement is never easy. It demands time, energy, and very often personal hardship. Yet, he gave of himself freely, without hesitation, because he believed in brighter future for Meghalaya and the Northeast. His life and contributions will remain a source of inspiration for generations of leaders to come. On behalf of the National People's Party, and on behalf of all those who cherish and respect him, I extend my deepest condolence to his family, to his wife and children and loved ones. We share all your grief and we stand with you in this difficult time. No words can truly fill the void left by his passing, but please know that his life's work will never be forgotten. His spirit lives on in the NPP, in the dreams of people, and in the progress that Meghalaya continues to make. Let us honor Sri Kuparbla not only with our words today, but also through our actions. Let us carry forward his vision with the same sincerity, humility, and commitment that he displayed throughout his life. That will be the greatest tribute we can give him. May his soul rest in eternal peace. May we draw strength from his memory, and may we remain united in continuing the work he began with the same passion and purpose that he brought into our lives. Rest in peace, Sri Kuparbala. You will always be remembered. Sir, this is the